Good morning, guys. Good morning. How's everyone going? Look, I'm going today to do some shopping so I can do my cooking for you guys. Oh, isn't that nice? Yes, it is nice. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna make a banana cake for you guys. But first of all, I want to praise the good Lord for getting us here for another day, waking us up for another gloomy day outside. But hey, be grateful, right? Yeah. So my brother's birthday today. My brother Maeli, he is big 50 today. OMG, 50. That's like 21 and cat years. Anyway, so and my son Benjamin, his birthday is also today. So happy birthday, boys. Oh, you guys must be feeling so special today. Nah, thank the good Lord that all these years he's been blessing us and them to reach another birthday. Me, every year is 21. I am making a banana cake requested by Katerina Tawa Niai and Vanessa Makata. Okay, these two beautiful ladies has asked me to make banana cake. Took a while, but I'm here today to do it. Okay, guys. So I'm going to show you guys the banana cake, and then I'm going to whip it up and have it with some cream. Yes. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my ingredients first, right? Okay. So it starts off a little bit like this. You're going to have about 5 bananas. There's 6 here, but I'll take one out so I can eat it later. Anyway, so 5 bananas. I know it's going to be a yummy banana cake. And then I'm going to have 2 plain flour, so that's all-purpose flour in some country. And then I'm going to have a cup of ground almond, you know. Yeah. Add it in, it's going to be really nice. I know, some might think, almonds. Trust me, it's going to be delicious. This looks like a whole lot of sugar, but it's 2 cups of, this is raw sugar, guys, because I don't really use white sugar, because, I don't know, I've used raw sugar for ages. And this is melted butter. This is about 4 big massive scoops, and then I melted it down. Yeah, it's fairly warm now. And I'm gonna need bicarb soda, guys. Yeah, I'll probably put about a spoon and a teaspoon and a half of that, or 2 teaspoons. It depends on how things goes, you know, as I go. Yeah, and then I'm gonna use, listen to this, 5 eggs. Hi, it sounds like scrambled egg, right? Yeah, who's making that? Stop it, stop. We're gonna have a nice moist cake in our hands by the time we finish. Cross all your fingers, guys. Cross all your fingers. Thank you. Anyway, so I am gonna, don't forget the vanilla extract. I really don't like vanilla in it, but let's add it in this time for you guys that love vanilla extract. Wailua. Anyway, I usually like to mush up. Oh, by the way, wash your hands. Don't think I haven't washed my hands. The sink is right there. The sink is wet, and I've got a washing detergent over there that I used. Okay, guys? So don't come for me. See, don't come for me. Anyway, I'm going to have to mush up these 5 bananas, guys. Oh, by the way, can I say something? I had my bananas, right, put in the cupboard hidden. It had we call it kailangoa, you know, banana. It's, you know, the brown spots on the banana. And I was so happy because I was thinking, okay, I've got my banana. And little did I know that my husband has been using it, taking it for his lunch. What do I have to do? Put a label, do not touch banana cake. He'll probably eat it anyway and still say, oh, I didn't read it. Yes. So how many bananas is that? How? I know, so I had no other choice, guys, but to go and get this banana. I got the yellowest bananas that I could get my lovely hands on. Wailua. So how many is that? Let me count before I go overboard. So that's 4, one more. Who was counting as I was peeling? Oh, see? The focused one always know, you know? Well, obviously I wasn't focused, guys. I was not focused. But anyway, that's it. I feel like adding in this last one. Should I? No. Okay. So I'm going to mush it up, guys. I'm going to mush it up. And then we'll get back and I'll show you. Okay, guys? Anyway, so I got the bananas all mushed up, guys. All mushed up. Then you put in the sugar. I know it seems like a lot of sugar, eh, guys? Yeah. But it will all come together, guys. It will all come together. Bye. Yeah. And then you add in the butter. I was thinking, did I say butter or did I say sugar? No, it is butter. So you add that in, guys. Right. And you mix it together. Mix, 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 mix. See, when you're cooking in your own kitchen, guys, you can do whatever you like. Dance, spin around. You just don't ruin your cooking, okay? Just don't ruin your cooking. Anyway, guys, so that's all nicely mixed together. You know, even if you have some chunks in it, you know, from the banana, it's okay. Also add in your vanilla extract at this time. 1 teaspoon, okay? It looked like 2, but don't, okay? I was measuring in my mind. Yeah, extract is better than the essence, but I'm not telling you not to buy it, you know. I don't want to be sued for anything like that, you know, for... Anyway, so I'm going to crack in the 5 eggs. Okay. I'm going to crack it in here because if there's any ugly eggs, it's not going into the bowl. Yep. That one's good. Yeah, 5 eggs seems like a lot, guys. It's like a scrambled egg. But this will make your banana cake very, very moist, delicious, and all that yum stuff. Wailua. So, go with the flow. Just go with the flow. See? So far, so good. I'll mix this one in first. You can bung it all in together. No big deal. I just felt like stirring. Okay. Hey. Right. So, 5 eggs all up. Okay. 5. Can you see? Give it a good stir. Easy peasy. Because I used salted butter, you don't need to add any salt in. Guys, no. Look, there you go. It's really liquidy. So add in half a cup first. I mean the other half of the flour, half a cup. Stop it. Oh. I'm only using a fork. I got the whisk out to use, but I'm only using the fork. The fork that does, you know, pretty good. I put in half a flour, half of the flour mix. So now I'll swap it over to the whisk. Use the rest of the flour. I'm going to chuck in the bicarb. So the bicarb is like 2, but I think I'll chuck in 1.5, okay? They actually look like 2, but it's okay, guys. I won't panic, don't panic. Now last is the almond, guys. That really makes the cake like, it's got a firm texture, but a lovely, yummy texture. Okay, you will see, you will see. There's the mix, guys. So this is the pan that I'm be using, and I'm gonna put a little bit of. I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil. They look like a lot. Woohoo! Stop it. And then you just whisk it right around. See how I look like a lot? But look, it's really not that much. Because you want your cake to come out, right? When you tip it upside down, it's going to come out. Not you tip it upside down and the other half is still inside the, you know, the baking dish. No, 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 no. That's not what you want. See? Right around. Delicious. Now, I've already got the oven on, right? 175, and you bake it for 1 hour, okay? Or, if you're not that sure, get a long toothpick or something long, skewer or something, and pick it in there. I don't think a toothpick will reach. You'll be putting all your fingers in there and everything. Yeah, but a skewer or even a butter knife, just bring it out. And if it's clear, guys, Bob's your auntie, okay? So, put the cake in here. Trying to make it all fancy, fancy. And then we just, I can't bang it down, okay? So I'm going to put it in here and we're going to wait for 60 minutes. So that's 1 hour, guys, just in case you don't know, okay? But I know you know. If you know, you know. But anyway, guys, I'm going to put it in the oven for 1 hour, okay? And it's all going to be delicious. There you go, and I'll see you later. So guys, while we're waiting for the cake to, you know, like cook, I just want to put this together. Like, I want to mix the cream up, okay? I'm not going to use this whole cream because you only got to use a little bit. Yeah, that should be enough. Yeah, so there, for that amount, I'll use 1.5 spoon of icing sugar. I've already put in a teaspoon already, guys. And I'm going to whisk it with this because I thought that my whisk was here, but obviously it was not. So I'll have to use this for now. Better than nothing. What a rough. job done anyway, guys. You know, back in the days when I had to rinse this by hand, this is the one that got early arthritis, you know? But lucky for all these electric beaters and everything, this makes jobs a lot easier. But back in the days, everyone used to do it the hard yada. There it is, guys. I'm going to show you. You don't have to, you know, this is the right consistency. Faye, have a taste. Yeah. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and wait for the cake to cook. And then I lick this and then I accidentally turn it on and whip my mouth up. Ah! And here it is, guys. All ready with the cream on top and sliced almonds to go on top of the cake. Anyway, we're gonna slice it and I want to slice it right down the middle. There it is, guys. Banana cake ready to eat. Yeah, have a bite. Yeah, with the almonds is really, you know, give it a texture to the cake. I just like the cream on every bite. But that's how easy it is to make, guys. So make sure you make it, enjoy it, and share with your family. Well, take care now.